Welcome, students. We are going to discuss the new chapter, that is Bholi. This chapter belongs to your second book, that is Footprints Without Feet. It is the last lesson of this book. Before the beginning of this chapter, we will focus on the author of this chapter, Bholi. The brain chapter has been written by K. Abbas, and we will try to understand about this author, K. Abbas. Brief introduction is given here. Khwaja Ahmad Abbas, also known as K. A. Abbas, was an Indian film director. Basically, he was a film director, screenwriter, novelist, and a journalist in the Urdu, Hindi, and English languages. So that is a very brief introduction of Abbas, who was basically a film director, screenwriter, novelist, journalist in three languages: Urdu, Hindi, and English. He was born on 7 June 1914, Panipat. He died on 1st June 1987, Mumbai. His famous books are The World Is My Village, The 13th Victim, Distant Dream. He has also got some awards. National Film Award for Best Feature Film. That was his achievement. So this is a brief introduction about author, that is Abbas. Now we will see the introduction of the present chapter, that is Bholi. Bholi is a story written by K. A. Abbas. The story revolves around a girl who, due to accidental fall and disease in her childhood, faces the problem of being dull and ugly. So when we talk about the physical appearance of Bholi, that was not attractive because of disease. Her childhood faces the problem of being dull and ugly. She looked dull and ugly. So that's why she faced a lot of problems in her childhood. In this chapter, we'll notice what kind of problems were faced by Bholi in her childhood. She is always a target by everyone for not being a good looking and intelligent. So she is not good looking, she is not intelligent, and this is the reason why she was not praised by anyone. Her life turns when she joins a nearby school where her teacher encourages her and helps her to become a learned and confident person. So in the first phase of this chapter, we will see the beginning of Bholi, how her life started, what kind of hurdles, problems she faced during her childhood. That is the first part of this chapter. Second, when she joins the school, how her life changes, what her teacher taught her, we will see in this chapter. So two incidents you must remember: what kind of life Bholi led when she was a small child when she was passing through her childhood stage. Secondly, when she went to school, what incident took place there, how teacher encouraged her, how teacher filled confidence in her. That is very important part this story. Later in the story, circumstances arise where Bholi has to give acceptance to the marriage with an unequal match, but rejects it when she sees her father pleading to the bridegroom when he demands dowry. The story shows the rise of a girl against social injustice. So, through this introduction of the present chapter, Bholi, we come to the conclusion that we can divide the whole chapter into three parts. In the first part, we will see how Bholi had spent her childhood. In other words, we can say what kind of hurdles, problems she faced during her childhood. Second, when she went to school, how teacher encouraged her, how teacher filled confidence in her. Third part, when she was going to marry, then what happened? We will see. So these are the key points of this chapter. Again, I'm going to repeat. First point is what kind of life Bholi spent during her childhood, what happened in her life when she went to school, what happened when she went to marry, why did she reject the marriage, we will see. So इस पूरे पार्ट में हम देखेंगे इस पूरे चैप्टर जो भोली है, इस चैप्टर को तीन भागों में बांट सकते हैं, जिसमें पहला है कि भोली की लाइफ जब वो बचपन में थी किस तरह से उसने जिया। सेकंड पार्ट, जब वो स्कूल जाती है तो क्या चेंजेस आते हैं, उसके टीचर उसको कैसे इंकरेज करते हैं, टीचर कैसे उसमें कॉन्फिडेंस भरते हैं। तीसरा पार्ट, जब वो उसकी शादी होने जाती है तो वो क्यों रिजेक्ट कर देती है, क्यों मना कर देती है शादी करने से, ये सारी चीज़ें हम देखेंगे इस चैप्टर में। Now come to the first paragraph of this story. See, her name was Sulekha, but since her childhood everyone had been calling her Bholi, the simpleton. So what was the real name of Bholi? That is Sulekha. But since her childhood, everyone had been calling her Bholi. And what is the meaning of the Bholi? That is the simpleton. She was the fourth daughter of Nambardar Ramlal. She was the fourth daughter of Nambardar Ramlal. When she was 10 months old, she had fallen off the cot on her head, and perhaps it had damaged some part of her brain. That was why she remained a backward child and came to be known as Bholi, the simpleton. Cot, C-O-T, cot means bed. Backward here means slow learner. So in this para number 1, we see the introduction of the main character of this story, that is Sulekha. Sulekha was the real name of Bholi. In her childhood, everyone used to call her Bholi, the simpleton. She was the fourth daughter of Ramlal. One incident took place in her life when she was 10 months old. She had fallen off the cot on her head, and perhaps it had damaged some part of her brain. Simple meaning is this: when she was 10 months old, she fell from the bed and there was an injury on her head that damaged some part of her brain. That's why, this is the reason she remained a backward child, means she was a slow learner. Why was she slow learner? That is clear. Because accident took place with her when she was 10 months old. इस पूरे पैराग्राफ में हम देखते हैं कि भोली का जो वास्तविक नाम क्या है, सुलेखा है। बचपन से ही उसे जो है सभी लोग भोली नाम से ही पुकारते हैं। भोली जो है अपने फादर रामलाल की चौथी बेटी है। जब वो 10 मंथ्स की थी तो वो बेड से गिर गई और गिरने के कारण जो है उसके ब्रेन का कुछ हिस्सा जो है डैमेज हो गया। उसके कारण वो जो है स्लो लर्नर थी और बहुत इम्प्रेसिव नहीं थी, और इसी कारण लोग उसे जो है भोली भी कहते थे। तो उसको भोली कहे जाने के दो कारण हैं। पहला, लोग हमें उसके बचपन से ही उसे भोली कहे। दूसरा, वो बैकवर्ड थी, स्लो लर्नर थी, इस कारण से भी लोग उसे भोली कहा करते थे। So that is the very clear in this paragraph 1 that we have seen the introduction of Bholi, and if she was a slow learner, what is the reason? What was the incident that happened with Bholi when she was 10 months old? Now we proceed to next paragraph, para number 2. See, at birth, the child was very fair and pretty. Again, we see the introduction of Bholi when she was infant. At her childhood, she was very fair and pretty. But when she was 2 years old, she had an attack of smallpox. That is the another event that took place in the life of Bholi. She was suffering from smallpox. Only the eyes were saved, but the entire body was permanently disfigured by deep black pock marks. Pock marks here means spots on the skin. Little Sulekha could not speak till she was 5, and when at last she learned to speak, she stammered. Stammered means fumbled for words, means she was not able to speak in a proper way. Whenever she tried to speak, she started stammering. The other children often made fun of her and mimicked her. Mimicked her means copied her, imitated her. As a result, she talked very little. So in the para number 2, again we see the second incident that took place with Bholi. This time she was under the influence of smallpox. Due to that, her whole body was influenced. Her whole body was permanently disfigured. There was black spots on her body. Next thing we noticed that she couldn't speak till she was 5. At last she learned to speak, but she stammered. Now other children used to see Sulekha or Bholi. They tried to copy her, they tried to make fun of her. So these are the things that happened with Bholi. Due to it, her life had become miserable. Children used to make fun of her. She did not look pretty because of the smallpox. Her whole body was covered with black spots on the skin, and she was not able to speak in a proper way. She learned to speak at the age of 5. While speaking, she stammered. So these are the things that happened with Bholi. Or you can say, in the beginning of this chapter, we have noticed the feature और द क्वालिटीज़ ऑफ भोली. तो पैरा नंबर 2 में हमने देखा कि बचपन में भोली बहुत ही प्रेटी थी, फेयर थी, लेकिन स्मॉल पॉक्स के अटैक करने के कारण उसकी पूरी बॉडी क्या है परमानेंटली डिसफिगर हो गई और उसकी स्किन पर जो है काले काले धब्बे पाए गए. दूसरी चीज़, वो बोल नहीं पाती थी. When she was 5, she was able to speak. जब वो 5 वर्ष की हुई तो उसको बोलना आया, लेकिन जब वो बोलती थी तो स्टैमरिंग करती थी, स्पष्ट नहीं बोल पाती थी, हकलाती थी, और जो दूसरे बच्चे थे उसका मजाक उड़ाते थे, उसकी मिमिक्री करते थे. ओके, सो हियर यू सी हाउ द लाइफ ऑफ भोली टर्न्स फ्रॉम गुड टू बैड. Okay, in the beginning of her life she was happy. Okay, but after 2 years what happened? She was under the influence of smallpox, and due to it her whole body was disfigured. At the age of 5 she was able to speak, but she stammered. Other children used to copy her. They used to make fun of her. So such kind of life she was leading. Now come to next paragraph, that is para number 3, and see what happened here. Ramlal had 7 children, 3 sons and 4 daughters. The youngest of them was Bholi. It was a prosperous farmer's household, and there was plenty to eat and drink. All the children except Bholi were healthy and strong. The sons had been sent to the city to study in schools and later in colleges. Of the daughters, Radha, the eldest, had already been married. The second daughter, Mangla's marriage, had also been settled. And when that was done, Ramlal would think of third Champa. They were good-looking, healthy girls, and it was not difficult to find bridegrooms for them. But Ramlal was worried about Bholi. She had neither good looks nor intelligence. So in part number 3 we met the family members of Ramlal. He had 3 sons and 4 daughters. His sons were studying outside of the village. They were studying in schools and colleges. And Radha, Mangla, Champa, these are the sisters of Bholi. All were good looking, healthy girls, and father thought that there was no problem with these daughters because they are good looking, healthy girls, and it was easy for them to get a bridegroom. But what's about Bholi? Bholi was not good looking, she was not intelligent. So here you can say the anxiety of Bholi's father was Bholi. What was the anxiety of Ramlal? The anxiety of Ramlal was Bholi. He was thinking about only Bholi, how he will manage her marriage, how will he find out suitable bridegroom for Bholi. That is a very difficult task for रामलाल. तो पैरा नंबर 3 में हमने देखा कि रामलाल के फैमिली मेंबर्स कौन कौन हैं, जिसमें हमने पाया कि 3 सन हैं और 4 क्या हैं, डॉटर हैं, जिसमें से सबसे छोटी जो है भोली है. और रामलाल एक संपन्न जो है प्रॉस्परस फार्मर है, जिसके यहाँ खाने पीने की कोई कमी नहीं है. भोली को छोड़कर सारे बच्चे जो हैं हेल्दी और स्ट्रॉन्ग हैं. सन जो है भेजे गए हैं सिटी पढ़ाई के लिए और फिर कॉलेज भेजे गए हैं आगे पढ़ाई के लिए. डॉटर्स में जो है राधा है, मंगला है, चंपा है, जिसमें कि राधा की शादी हो चुकी है, मंगला की सेटल्ड हो गई है, चंपा की जाएगी मंगला के बाद. इसके बाद जो है आखिरी जो बचती है वो है भोली. भोली को लेकर के जो है फादर थोड़ा चिंतित है, क्योंकि न तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा इंटेलिजेंट है, न ही उसकी कोई अपनी कुछ अच्छी या गुड लुकिंग है. वो इस बात को लेकर वो थोड़ा सा चिंतित है. अदरवाइज 6 children were strong and healthy, but Bholi was not as strong as rest of her brothers and sisters. So in the present section we have noticed, we have seen the quality of Bholi, what happened with Bholi, and third part we have seen who were the family members of Bholi or sons and daughters of Ramlal. One thing remember, what problems did Bholi face during her childhood? You must remember. Okay, that is very very important. You keep in your mind that Bholi was pretty girl, no doubt. She was fair girl, but when she was of 2 years old, what happened? There was an attack of smallpox, and due to it, what happened? Her whole body was disfigured. Black small spots can be seen on her body. Secondly, her body was disfigured. At the age of 5, she learned how to speak. But when she was going to speak, she stammered. That was the problem with Bholi. That was the very important incident that took place in the life of Bholi. Okay. And one incident you also remember, that why she was a slow learner. She was backward. The reason is very clear. She fell from the bed when she was only 10 months old, and due to it, some part of her brain was damaged. Okay, So these two incidents that took place in the life of Bholi, you must remember: falling from bed, and second, attack of smallpox. That is very important. These two incidents had changed the life of Bholi, or Bholi was compelled to lead a miserable life because of these two incidents: falling from the bed, and second, attack of smallpox. Okay, thank you.